So we should be live. Good morning, everyone. This is the second Shapella community call. Seems pretty light, so I guess people are ready for Shapella, which is good. Wanted to have this right before Gordy, in case folks had questions to ask. Um, Ronnie, if you have a question, you have you have all of us at your disposal. And then maybe just before we do that, two things worth mentioning. So on the blog announcement, so at blog.ethereum.org, there were a couple of version changes in the past couple of days. So if you're listening and you run either Lodestar, Nimbus, or Get, you should have a look to see the latest version. So Lodestar has changed to 1.5.1. So they previously had 1.6.0/RC0. There were some issues with MEV boost there. So 1.5.1 will be more stable for Gordy. The Nimbus had their release out just on Friday, but it's version 23.3.0. And Geth put out a recommended release 1.11.4. So if you're using Geth, it's worth updating to this to fix some transaction pool issues. So all that's on the blog. It's the first blog post on blog.ethereum.org. And then the other thing, if you are a staker, we have this whole withdrawals FAQ that's linked in that blog post as well. I'll post it in the chat here. Yeah, it's worth going over that to make sure that you understand how withdrawals work, that if you need to update your credentials, you know that, and that'll walk you through it. Yeah, it should answer hopefully all the questions that folks have. Yeah, I guess anyone here have anything to add? Ronnie, any questions?
Maybe I would like to
Yeah.
add one thing over here. So, as people may know that we do, the Ethereum Cat Hunters does this PEEP and EEP. So we have covered all four plus one, the fifth one, the deprecate warning as well in PEEP and EEP series. Here is the list to the playlist. So please go ahead and check out.
Awesome.
And one other information that could be useful, like we were talking about MEV boost stuff. So we would be having Alex talking about on MEV boost next week. So that would be interesting to watch.
Cool. Anyone have questions, comments? No questions from Ronnie. We might be able to do this in like 5 minutes. The fork is tomorrow at 2:30 Pacific or 2:25 Pacific, actually. Don't want to get people 5 minutes late. Each staker has a live stream scheduled as well. They've tweeted about it. So if you want to watch the fork as it's happening, yeah, you can go and check that out. But yeah, basically last day to get your node updated if you haven't. Sweet. Well, yeah, happy to give everyone basically an hour back. Thanks for coming, Ronnie. Thanks for coming, everyone. I guess I don't know. Geth, Nethermind, basically, do we want to do some client chilling or before we wrap up?
I would say that we're always happy to see that the market share of Nethermind is growing, more diversification in the execution client area is happening. Like there was already kind of good diversification when it came to CL clients, because client diversity was like from the beginning of Beacon chain was advocated for, especially for consensus clients. But now things are increasing also for the EL client. Obviously, we keep working on improving the user experience for people who are using Nethermind, and wish for sure, like the goal would be that we would have all execution clients having very close numbers and percentages for the most decentralization and fault-free blockchain.
Nice, thank you. Any other client shills? Okay. Perry, you just joined, but we're literally wrapping up. Anything you wanted to cover in this call?
Oh, sorry. I thought it was just starting. Damn, got the
No.
time wrong, I guess.
Well, it just started, but you know,
Ah,
small crew, and we went over the blog post, went over the FAQ. So yeah.
nothing for me, I think.
Okay. Well, last call for clients. If not, yeah, there'll be the fork live stream tomorrow with EatStaker. See you all then. And then on all core devs later this week. Yeah. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone.
Yeah.